I'm cleaning up the truck from all the summer adventures, and I've gotten to my ratchet straps. For many years I always just either kept them loose like this or tried to tie them up, but they always come apart. Didn't store well. Most of the time they end up in a pile like this and get all knotted together, and it's a pain in the butt when you want to use them. So I did some research and found a different way to store them. So this uses the ratchet to bind it all together with some wraps, and it's not too difficult to put together. So I'll show you how to do that. So first you want to separate the long piece from the ratchet. So you start with your hook and you just start wrapping the tag end around the hook. You can do a couple wraps, pull it tight. So now we got most of the length wrapped around the cord or the hook. I got a little bit of tag. This is what's going to allow us to connect to the ratchet. Place it on the bottom of the ratchet such that the tag is coming up and around towards the ratchet piece. And the first thing you want to do is bring it not through the slot, but around it. Pull it up. What this allows us to do is then we can take our ratchet hook, we can bring it up and over. So this particular ratchet has a really long tag for the hook. So I fold it so it sits on top of my coil. Then I take my long piece that I left off the original spool, feed it through the slot of the ratchet, pull it tight, make sure it's neat, and then I can ratchet it all together. So now it's one bundle and it's tight, it won't come apart.